Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about artificial intelligence. Is AI overvalued or undervalued, or is now the best time to invest in it? You always hear the expression of buy low, sell high. It's hard to do when things are hitting all-time highs. So what should you do? Should you continue to invest? That's what we're going to be breaking down today. We're going to be looking at massive companies like Nvidia. We're going to be looking at AI ETF. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy it. Any questions, by all means, ask in the comments, ask. And if you guys want to learn more about me and trading and all that stuff, I do have an amazing school where we talk about my strategies, my mindset, how I trade, the strategies that I use for trading. It's a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading and trading needs. Use code CRASH, $50 off, only 3 spots left, so I'll see you in there. But guys, all right, let's kind of dive into this here. So we did talk about Nvidia yesterday night here, but you guys can see Nvidia has been on a non-stop roar pretty much the past year or so, where, you know, in 2023, it was up over 240%. This year alone, it's up 70%. So are we due for a possible correction? Now, I definitely think what goes up must go down. No stock only goes up forever. The hard part is judging when are we due for a crash or a recession. Now, one of the more important things here, in my opinion, is something called the fear and greed index. The fear and greed index pretty much determines, you know, how the market is reacting as of right now. You guys will see that right now we are seeing extreme greed. Now, what we have a tendency of seeing when we see stuff like this is extreme greed. People have no worry of a crash. People they're not fearful of one. They understand that this will go up forever, and often this is when we see corrections. Compared to when people have extreme fear, this is where we get a lot of bull markets. It's that common expression, be fearful when others are greedy, and I think that this sums it up perfectly. Right now, things are looking good, but this is when we should be nervous. Now, do I think we're going to be crashing in the stock market tomorrow? No, I don't think we will see a crash, but what I do think we will see is something called a correction. A correction is just when the general stock market sells off anywhere from 5 to about 10% on average. Now, this is healthy for a long sustaining stock market. So I think this is incredibly important right now to, one, understand that we could see a correction, put a little more cash, you know, off to the side, but on top of that, don't stop that process of investing. Dollar cost averaging and, you know, time in the market is better than trying to time the market. So it's always better to have money in than money out. But if you're going to have money out in preparation for a crash, I would highly recommend looking at high yield savings accounts or some other way where you guys can, you know, let that money grow, just pretty much risk free. So on top of that, you know, as we look at other huge and massive companies, you know, in the AI field like Meta here, look at this. Great thing what popped up, another stock hitting, you know, pretty much all-time highs here very, very soon, I believe, because we did get, you know, this thing did get absolutely annihilated. Yeah, it broke out, hitting all-time highs, you guys can see. So I think that right now a pullback or a possible correction is going to be necessary for a sustaining and healthy stock market. So I think this is incredibly important. I think a lot of plays right now are going to get annihilated, but I think volatility brings opportunity, and I do think we could possibly see a correction. But guys, this is just my opinion. You know, do your own research before you guys make any investments or trading or anything like that. I just think that right now, you know, hold a little more cash. And we'll see you guys later. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I just wanted to come on and chat. We'll see you guys later.